it's me, K10, and today I was thinking it would be really fun for our crafternoon if we made a craft that floats, a craft that you can sail, a craft that is a paper boat. All you need to make a paper boat is a piece of paper. You don't need scissors, you don't need glue, just paper. So we have our orange piece of paper, and to make our paper boat, we're going to fold that piece of paper in half, like so. We want to line up these edges really carefully. And you can fold it, nice crisp edge. So the next thing we're going to do now that we've folded our paper, is we're going to fold it again. So we're going to fold it in kind of like a book. Just like this. And fold it like that. Perfect. So now we have this and we have this. We have it all set. So what we're going to do is now that our paper has been folded once this way and once this way, we unfold it and we're going to fold this tip into the middle. Just like that. And just like that. So that it lines up. Whenever you're making your folds, you want them to be as specific as possible, and you want to use your nail to make that a really crisp edge there. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom first layer and you're going to fold it up. Nice line again. So again, what you're doing is you're just taking this and you're folding it up like that. And we're gonna flip it over. And we're gonna fold these down over that edge. Fold it down over that edge. So this side you fold just like how you did on the other side, like that. Nice crisp edges. Use that nice crease. Great. And you're going to flip it over again and fold that. Just kind of get those triangles down so it locks in. Now, if you were making a paper hat, you would have a paper hat right now. We take our hat and we open it and we keep opening it. So we want to close it the other way. And make a square like that. You see what we're doing here? And we want to flatten it out. There you go. And we're going to take the bottom edge and we're going to bring it all the way up to the top. Just like that. At this point, if you're using construction paper, these folds are really tricky. Okay, and you're gonna flip it over. And you're gonna fold it up like so. And you're gonna press, press, press. And then you're going to fold it like this, just like what you did before. You got two edges here. It kind of looks like a little bit of a flower if you look at it, like maybe like a tulip or something.
Ah, flower.
You're gonna pull those edges out all the way. Gonna press it down, and this has become our beautiful paper boat. So now that we have our paper boat that is super fun and really cute, the next question is, will it float? Whoa! All right, we've got our water, we've got our boat. Are you ready? Do you think this boat is gonna float? Let's pop it in. Whoa! It's floating around the water. That is so cute. Well, the thing that's fun about these paper boats too is you can make two and race them if you want. And they're also really fun for bath time. Wow. Isn't it so cool that we can just make a craft that floats like a boat? Thank you so much for having another crafternoon with me, K10. Bye!